Salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer notre aventure. Dans l'épisode précédent, nous avions fait les contrats. Là, nous allons nous lancer dans une petite quête secondaire au niveau de l'Inquisition où on devait rencontrer les natifs à San Mateus. Donc, je me suis positionné directement ici. Il faudra aller au sud. Donc, on se retrouve là-bas tout de suite. Donc nous sommes en train de nous approcher de l'endroit indiqué. Hop là. C'est gratuit. Alors. Il est là-bas. Il y a un petit passage sur la gauche. Nous allons voir. C'est sûrement un petit coffre. Ou le vide intersidéral. Bien évidemment. Est-ce que ça va bien se passer?
Please, I come because of a message that was sent to me.
Wait. This is the Onol Menawi of the Lugaid Blau. The one we wanted to talk to.
Oui, bonjour messieurs.
I came following the instructions you had left the secretary of our embassy, but I wasn't expecting to find you near the corpse of a member of the Ordo Luminis.
We were told that there was a woman different from the other Renaigse amongst the Lugaid Blau. Someone who sometimes helped our people. This is why we talked to the man in the large house. But we don't really know who you are.
My name is Desardet. I'm the legate of the congregation. It means that I'm in charge of the diplomacy with the other nations. And yes, I have helped your people a few times.
A diplomat is someone who talks, right? Not someone who fights.
I know how to fend for myself, if that's your question. But will you tell me why you made me come here?
2 nights ago, we attacked a group of Red Suns who were taking away some of our people. Many of them fled. But we captured this man, and we made him talk. We wanted to know where they took our brothers. And he talked about a secret camp.
Why would the Inquisition take natives to a secret camp?
To confuse their minds. They torture them until they renounce the truth and praise the sun. This Red Sun was mocking us. He said they would burn us, like the others. He had killed some of my brothers, so I killed him.
If what you say is true, then indeed, we cannot let the Inquisitors continue. But because you killed them, we can only take your word for it.
Maybe not. The Red Sun had a key on him. And also some words sealed in bark. We do not know how to set them free. But the Renaigse do, don't they?
The letter ordered this man to join the escort party of a group of captives. This partly confirms what you told me.
Do the words say where the camp is located?
No, but the address of the Inquisitor is written.
What is an address?
This is how we refer to the place we live in. I suppose the key you found is the key to his door.
So you can go to his house and look for more words.
I suppose so.
You must do it, or the suns will keep burning our people.
Very well. I will go visit this man's home. I will come back to you if I learn anything more.
Hurry. Our brothers may be dying in the meantime.
Oui, ben ça va. Hein, je vais faire le maximum. Et toi, il me donnerait des ordres.
We'll wait for you here.
Bon bah c'est parti. On va directement dans la demeure du préposé. Donc ça y est, on arrive. C'est juste là.
Locked.
On utilise la clé. Aucun souci.
Oh
la vache, c'est quoi cet hôtel là? Il est bien lumineux. Mais c'est toutes les bougies. Ah ouais, ça fait l'Arche d'Alliance quoi. des documents.
This letter mentions a secret camp. Apparently our man was involved in its creation. It also talks about a chest he would have had. In the quarters of the Order, here in San Mateus. We may find clues there that will allow us to discover the location of the camp. If this chest exists, there must be a key. It has to be here. Let's continue searching.
Bah oui, mais elle est juste devant. Elle est juste devant.
It's a key. Most likely the key to a chest. With the emblem of the Ordo Luminis. I don't think we'll find anything else here. Let's leave and see what this chest contains.
Alors, est-ce que ça va être une opération furtive? Ah. Bonjour messieurs. Ils sont chelous.
Hey, you.
Ah.
Who are you? And what are you doing in Father Claudius's home?
De Sardet. I'm the legate of the congregation.
My colleague has been away for the last few days. May I know exactly what it is about your status as a diplomat that gives you the right to enter his home in his absence?
My status is the reason why the Mother Cardinal asked me to investigate. She wants to know where Father Claudius might have disappeared to. I offered to go to his home to see if I could find some information. Hence why I'm here.
Really? Well, I find that very strange. Why would the Mother Cardinal ask that some strangers who do not belong to our order try to find him?
How would we know? Perhaps you'd like us to go find her together. I'm sure she'll be delighted to see how you've been treating the representative of one of her allies.
That won't be necessary, but know that I am keeping an eye on you.
As you wish. I hope I don't see you again, Father.
I doubt this sly, bitter man believed your lies. We'll probably see him again.
We should make use of this moment of respite to go visit the quarters of the Order and find the chest there. Let's hope they aren't infested with members of the Inquisition.
Ouais. J'espère ne plus jamais vous revoir, exactement. Ou sur un bûcher. Donc on doit rentrer ici. À mon avis, il va falloir être ultra discret. Je pense que ça sera petite opération furtive. À moins qu'il y ait une autre entrée. Ici on a les gardes. C'est juste là. Ouais, ça c'est de la statue ça. Donc, que nous propose la carte? D'accord, il faut fouiller un petit peu. On va prendre déjà ce petit coin là. Où... Ah oui, il y a quand même un petit coffre. Utiliser la clé. Ah. Comme quoi, l'être trouvé dans le coffre. D'accord. Bah, c'est exactement ce qu'il fallait faire apparemment.
Thanks to these documents, we'll be able to show the natives where the conversion camp is, and the times when new prisoner convoys will get there too.
The Ordo Luminis is fearsome in a fight. If the natives attack the camp, they risk being slaughtered. But given the methods of the Inquisitors, I almost want to give them a hand.
On va fouiller un petit peu le reste. Hein. Vu qu'on est ici, on en profite. J'ai l'impression qu'il n'y a rien du tout. Bah, à la base, c'est un hôtel pour prier. Hein. Enfin, il me semble, hein, vu la statue, pense que c'est un lieu de prière. Ouais, il y a bien les petits bancs, ça doit être pour s'agenouiller, je pense. Ah, dites-moi qu'il y a au moins quelque chose. Rien du tout. Ah, une chambre de torture. Ah oui, dans un lieu de prière, c'est pas courant, j'ai envie de dire. Petite salle de torture, histoire de se reposer. En tout cas pour celui qui fait la torture, hein, pas celui qui est attaché. On va rencontrer l'autre connard dehors. Non, ça va. Allez, on va directement aller voir les natifs. On se rejoint là-bas. Rebonjour messieurs. Ouais, c'est moi, c'est moi.
So, did you...
I found some information that should allow you to locate the conversion camp. And I also found a note about a prisoner convoy coming soon.
Why come and tell us all of this if your intention is just to betray us?
Betray you? How so?
You're not the ones
Ah,
the
j'en étais sûr.
so-called legate betrayed. We are.
You? I have no commitment to your order. It is with Thélème that we are allied. Your nation, that you are prepared to drag into a war against the natives, with the sole purpose of converting a few of them in your torture camp, even if you have to kill all the others.
What are you talking about? Are you saying Claudius managed to complete his great conversion camp project?
Don't pretend that you did not know.
I did not, but now that I do, I will do everything in my power to continue his work. And the first step will be to eliminate those who would denounce us.
Mais
The
c'est pas qui
Mother
je suis ou quoi?
Cardinal focuses too much on politics, when she should be following her faith instead.
We will fight these monsters by your side, on Olmenawi.
Bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go!
Ah, ils font moins les malins. Hein.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. These men were our enemy. The monsters torturing my people.
Even though the Ordo Luminis's actions are atrocious, Thélème must not learn of our involvement in this matter. Our alliance could suffer.
Do not worry about it. We won't tell them.
And we will make these bodies disappear. Nobody will ever know what happened to them.
Except for our Mal, of course. Queen Deirdre will be grateful to you for helping us.
I hope this will help our relations in the future.
In any case, do not worry about this camp. She will not let our people be imprisoned. She may even ask for your help in destroying it.
Perhaps. In the meantime, please give her my regards.
Bartir Tumad on Olmenawi. And thanks again.
Et laissez-moi au moins les looter. Ah putain, ils ont emmené les corps avant que je les loot. Mais bande de crétins. Ah, je suis sûr il y avait un loot ultra épique dessus en plus. C'est toujours le cas. C'est toujours le cas. Donc bah maintenant, où est-ce qu'on en est? Au niveau des quêtes annexes, toujours notre ami Kurt, où il faut progresser dans la quête principale. Très bien, les contrats, nous n'en avons plus. Et on va rencontrer donc Constantin pour la suite de la quête principale. Allez, je vous rejoins directement chez Constantin. Bon ben on va voir ce que notre cousin a à dire au final. J'ai l'impression qu'il va de plus en plus mal.
My fair cousin, come closer and tell me what brings you.
Rapporter la rencontre avec les gouverneurs.
I have been to the neighboring cities as you asked of me.
Tell me then, was your journey adventurous?
Well, I was able to gain audience with the governors, give them your regards, and glean some information.
I would not have allowed anything bad to happen to him, Your Highness.
Oh, it's just us here, Kurt. Why not continue to call me by my given name? Carry on with your story, cousin. I'm impatient to know what secrets our illustrious neighbors have discovered.
The Bridge Alliance believes that a remedy could possibly be found by studying the local flora. They are quite motivated, but their research expedition has gone missing, and there is no sign of life. And since they themselves are under constant attack, they cannot spare a rescue party to investigate. The Mother Cardinal, in her opinion, believes the Malachor to be the result of a curse.
A curse cast by a demon. An evil creature worshipped by a cult of island natives. If you would allow me to second the request of our Mother Cardinal, we are in dire need of your help. Our Inquisitors are hardly diplomats and... But I should let you finish, my daughter.
They have started their investigations in a village where strange events have been taking place, but they are unable to get to the bottom of it. The population keeps its secrets, and Thélème hopes that we might help them learn more about the cult.
This is all extremely interesting. You have lived up to my expectations, as always. That said, we find ourselves between the rock and the hard place. The bridge is already in open conflict with the island natives. Thélème and their inquisitors... We're going to have to tread on eggshells, but let's follow all the clues to their mysteries. We need to help them continue their investigations. Perhaps one will lead us to something useful. I don't have a lot of men, as well you know, and since I only trust you among them, take Kurt and any others that seem useful. I wouldn't want anything bad to happen to you.
If you would allow me, Your Highness, I would be honored to assist your cousin on her investigation.
Very well, then. You could start by indicating the precise location of your nasty village.
Of course, Your Highness. I should have thought of that sooner. Allow me to mark the location on your map, my daughter.
Thank you. Have no fear, Constantine. I will take care of all matters at hand.
I've been thinking about this story of the ruins, about the secret of my father. I want to discover what he is hiding. This question also concerns you. You look too much like a native for that to be a coincidence. Since we cannot bombard my father with questions, others here must give us the answers we require. The congregation, even in the past, could not have made it to this island without help. We are pitiful sailors.
You are thinking of us. But I assure you that I know nothing of this story.
You are perhaps simply not aware, but your admiral stationed at the captainry surely is. Go and find her, cousin. Try to learn the final chapter of this story.
Very well.
Anything else?
Bah non, prends un Doliprane hein, parce que t'as pas l'air bien là.
Look out for yourself.
Putain, mais il pourrait au moins se soigner hein. Sérieux. Bon, apparemment, avec toutes les notifications qui est apparues, j'ai l'impression qu'on a débloqué énormément de quêtes. Et en particulier avec nos compagnons, certainement. On va regarder ça tout de suite. Ouais, donc quête principale. Retrouver le camp de l'expédition des savants. Très bien. Et se rendre au village indiqué par Petrus. Rien à voir avec le vin, bien évidemment. Le secret du prince. D'accord. Ça serait intéressant à le faire. Lui, est-ce que ça a débloqué la suite? Si. Parlez à Kurt. Du régiment fantôme. J'ai bien envie de poursuivre cette quête-là. En attendant... Kurt, viens ici mon ami.
Greenblood, my friend. My contacts have spoken. I was able to discover the location of this infamous Phantom training camp.
Do you still think they should be held accountable?
More than ever. You know that I recruited Rayner. I want to know what kind of hornet's nest I led him into. I want to know what these madmen did. But I fear if I go alone, I might not be able to control myself. And I won't learn anything. I need the help of my best student.
Non mais on va t'aider à botter des culs, y a pas de soucis ça.
How can I refuse such a request? Well then, let's go.
Non mais on va rester comme ça, c'est très bien comme ça. Alors, où est-ce que c'est? Mais c'est pas très loin en plus. Allons botter des culs. Allez, on va ici. On va au plus proche. Ah, lui il a une quête. Pétrus. Mais je veux juste te parler en fait.
Ah, my child, I'm happy that you are here. I've had an idea that I wish to present to you.
Please do.
I've known the Mother Cardinal for quite some time. She is a formidable woman, gifted and diplomatically skilled. I fear that your cousin might be a little defenseless when dealing with her, and would like to give him a few weapons.
What do you have in mind?
Diplomacy is not only a matter of formal encounters and choreographed etiquette. If we had the means to action more personal leverage, the Mother Cardinal could not manipulate your cousin.
How could we ever find anything of that sort?
Everyone has nasty little secrets, my child. It's our task to discover Cornelia's.
It is a very good idea. But alas, I have other problems to resolve first.
I understand. Come and find me when you are ready.
D'accord.
I will see you later, father.
Non, on fera ça plus
Take
tard.
care, my child.
On fera ça plus tard, mais c'est une petite quête qui pourrait être sympa, effectivement. Ça pourrait être sympa. Mais en attendant, on a des culs à botter. Donc c'est juste à droite. Très bien. Allons-y gaiement. Mettons les Santiago. On va faire ce petit chemin ensemble. Bonjour messieurs. Le camp fantôme. Bonjour, je suis ici pour botter des culs.
I was informed of your arrival by my sentinels, but I didn't think it would be you, Kurt.
Rolf, you're the leader of this camp.
You two know each other.
We train together. We haven't seen each other in a long time. A very long time.
The world of warriors is very small, Kurt. What brings you here, my old comrade? And who are these people with you?
Il a une tête de
They're not
vicieux.
one of us.
My name is Desardet. I'm the legate of the merchant congregation.
And I am Captain Vasco. No need to comment about our distance from the sea. I know.
These people sure are important. So, what are you doing here?
I've heard things about this place. About this very special camp.
And we wanted to see what it was all about with our own eyes.
That's very nice of you, but visitors aren't welcome in this camp. What goes on here is only the guards' business.
Does the same apply to me?
Listen, Kurt. I can give you and your friends some answers, but only because it's you. Anyway, knowing you as well as I do, I'm aware I'm not going to get rid of you that easily. So, what would you like to know?
Alors, lui demander la fonction du camp.
What is it you do here? And why is this place kept secret, even from your comrades in the guard?
The natives have their magic, and we have to train elites to be able to face them. That's what we're doing here. Our role is sensitive, and our location obviously cannot be revealed to the whole island.
I see the reason for this kind of training. The Bridge Alliance would be particularly interested in soldiers like these. And yet I've never heard of this elite squadron.
We're still in the early stages of the program. We don't want to rush things, and our leaders demand secrecy. Orders are orders.
D'accord. Se renseigner sur l'organisation de l'endroit.
This is a huge camp for such a secret location. How's it organized?
The main building is reserved for officers and the wounded. The front and rear of the camp are dedicated to combat training. But most exercises take place outside.
Impressive. And how do you manage recruitment?
Only the best come here. Those who have combat experience. Once they arrive, they're separated into 2 squadrons, each led and trained by a lieutenant. But you already know all of this, Kurt. It must bring back memories.
Yes.
On va lui foutre une de ces branlées. S'enquérir de la formation dispensée.
Will you tell us about your training?
That's a sensitive topic. Most exercises take place in the field to get the men used to it. The natives' knowledge of the environment gives them as much of an advantage as their magic. But if you want to know more, you should ask my lieutenant instructors.
Parler de la mort de Renner.
Actually, we found out about this camp while we were looking for someone.
A kid I recruited. Raina.
Oh, I didn't know he was one of yours. My condolences. I was told he died in an accident in the harbour.
Don't insult my
facile à dire, ça.
intelligence, Rolf.
All right. Since you're here, I guess there's no point in lying to you anymore. The accident occurred during a maneuver. It's regrettable, but these things happen, you know?
We've taken up enough of your time, Captain.
I agree, and I have things to do.
I'd like to question your lieutenant instructors, if you don't mind. To ask them about Raina.
You've become a real sap. Fine. But try not to disrupt the day's schedule too much. Goodbye.
I'm sorry, I couldn't contain my anger.
Oui, bien sûr.
I noticed. Good
Allez.
thing you know this captain so well. I don't think he would have let us investigate otherwise.
I'm not sure it's a good thing, really.
Old barrack rivalries.
Rolf doesn't bring back good memories for me. But let's continue.
Ouais.
I want to know what's going on here.
Allez.
Lieutenant,
Respectfully, Captain.
here is my friend, the legate of the merchant congregation. She would like to ask you a few questions.
At your orders. I'm listening, sires.
Donc, l'interroger sur les particularités de son escouade.
How do the various squadrons in this camp differ from one another?
The recruits I train are intended to carry out more subtle actions.
Really? What kind?
Ah, l'assassinat,
I
c'est...
teach them how to blend into the background, understand customs, observe, and know when to strike.
Ah, c'est
That's
ça.
strange. These skills are normally associated with assassins rather than soldiers.
These skills are always useful, regardless of the enemy or the setting.
J'en étais sûr. Se renseigner sur l'entraînement.
What kind of training do your men undergo?
I can't go into details, but they learn discipline and to outdo themselves.
You mean to blindly follow orders, even to their death?
But No, Captain. We also teach them to analyze situations, so that they know when to act to avoid risking their lives.
Lui demander comment elle est arrivée là.
How did you become an instructor in this camp?
I have led numerous squadrons before, and I've trained hundreds of recruits on the continent. I worked with Captain Rolf in the past, and when I arrived on the island, he recommended me for this position.
That's very impressive. And I expect that you're familiar with the natives' environment and magic.
Yes, of course.
Très bien. 75%. Tenter de la corrompre pour obtenir des informations sur NR. Bon allez, laisse-moi au moins réussir celle-là.
Don't you think that someone this talented fits what we're looking for? You see, we need to find someone who can replace Kurt to oversee my cousin's security.
Your cousin is the governor of New Spain,
Ah,
I've heard.
voilà.
It's a prestigious position. I don't doubt my abilities, but an offer like this, made so suddenly, must have a price.
We can't hide anything from you.
We're trying to find out what happened to Raina, a recruit who trained here.
That name doesn't sound familiar. He must have been in the Shadow Squadron.
The other lieutenant's squadron.
Yes. I'm sorry. Haven't been much use to you. Did something happen to him?
He died. His body was thrown into the harbor to make it look like he drowned.
I guess it was one of your recruits. My condolences, Captain.
We'll question some of your soldiers.
At your orders, but please be quick. I'd like to get on with training.
Ouais, en fait, j'ai réussi, mais ça a servi à rien. Naturellement. Et vous allez voir que quand je vais devoir réussir pour avoir de vraies informations, eh ben, je vais l'avoir dans le cul. Hop là. Parler à la recrue.
Hello, soldier.
Captain?
We need information. Your instructor authorized us to question you.
Of course, madam. I'm listening.
Putain, on est en train d'interroger Will Smith. Lui parler de son entraînement.
How would you describe your training? Do you train outside the camp much?
Yes, we do. Well, not exclusively.
Really? Yet we've been told that your unit specialized in actions over difficult terrain.
Yes, I think so. Well, yes, that's true.
Problems remembering things, soldier?
No, Captain.
L'interroger sur son escouade.
What's it like in your squadron?
Very good. The Phantom Squadron is made up only of the very best.
Do you trust your comrades?
We're like 5 fingers on one hand, madam. I would trust them with my life.
You've sure got the military spirit.
Yes, Captain.
Lui parler des accidents lors des manœuvres.
We've learned that a recruit died in an accident during a maneuver. Does this happen often?
No, of course not. Only to those who aren't strong enough.
That's strange. I was told that this recruit was very talented.
I don't know what to tell you. It's possible. If you don't mind, I'd like to get back to my training.
He seems afraid that an accident might befall him too.
No, it's not that. I just don't want to fall behind schedule.
Very well. Go on.
Excellence. Captain.
These kids are scared to death.
Yes. This boy's answers about his training seem pretty dubious to me.
You can't hide the lies.
Ouais, reprends ton entraînement, Will. On va interroger une autre recrue en attendant.
Soldier.
Captain.
At ease, soldier.
Lui parler de son entraînement.
We'd like to learn more about your training.
I have nothing to say about it, my lady.
Really? Go on, it's not a difficult question. What do you do during training?
Is this a test, Captain?
No, it's not a test. You may speak freely.
Well, training is difficult, but we can't complain, Captain.
That's an interesting way to phrase it.
Interroger sur son escouade.
You're very united in this squadron. At least that's what I've been told.
United. You could say that, yes. Until death.
That's rather sinister. Does the name Raynor sound familiar to you?
Yeah. Well, no, not really.
Ah si, t'as
You
dit
seem
oui.
rather hesitant. Afraid of being reprimanded by your lieutenant?
No. Well, not at all. It's just that I can't tell you anything about Recruit Raynor. And we're lucky to have the Lieutenant as our instructor, Captain.
We should leave this soldier to his work.
Your name, soldier?
Wilhelm. First class recruit Wilhelm, Spectre Squadron.
Keep it up, Wilhelm.
This recruit, Wilhelm, in spite of himself, led on more than the others.
His resentment is clear. But he won't divulge anything as long as his instructors are nearby.
Ouais. La peur de parler Will.i.am. Retournons à la chanson. On va interroger l'autre lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Captain.
My friend here would like to learn more about this camp.
At your orders, Captain. Madam?
Questionner sur son escouade.
Can you tell us about your squadron?
The recruits who come here are the best. And in my squadron, they get even better. I don't know what else to tell you. They're disciplined, rigorous, and effective. Exactly what you'd expect from the best soldiers.
Ouais. Il est assez évasif hein, quand même. Parler de l'entraînement.
What kind of training takes place in your ranks?
Combat in natural settings. Combat against the savage's magic.
I'm very curious about how you train against the magic the natives use.
Now, these are complex, secret maneuvers. I'm very sorry, but I can't tell you any more.
That's a pity. It would definitely be instructive.
Invoquer le cas de Rainer.
I heard the recruit Rainer trained here. What can you tell me about him?
Oh, he was a good one. He died a little while ago.
So we've heard. Your captain told us he died during a maneuver. Can you tell us more?
The training we do outside can be dangerous. Unfortunately, Rainer fell to his death in a ravine.
He fell?
During a simulated ambush. I know, it's not glorious, but it happens. I'd like to get back to work now, if you'll allow it, Captain.
Go on. We're gonna go talk to some of your recruits.
I hope that it won't take too long. We're all very busy here.
We'll be quick, Lieutenant.
The story about training against magic is a lie. This lieutenant has no idea what he's talking about.
So what could they be training recruits for here then?
I don't know. But whatever it is, I don't like it.
Ouais. Tout ça paraît bien chelou. Allez, la première recrue. Je pense qu'il en aura peut-être une autre.
Soldier!
Yes, Captain.
At ease. We have some questions for you.
Me? At your orders, Captain.
Lui demander comment se passent les entraînements.
You look exhausted. Is training that rough here?
It's difficult at first, but you get through it. Taming fatigue. That's the key to it all.
Haven't you ever wanted to stop? You've never doubted your vocation.
I'm not a coward, nor a weakling. The strength of the Shadow.
What is that? Your motto?
Our squadrons, Captain.
Ouais. Le côté obscur. Lui parler de ses camarades d'escouade.
You seem concerned about your comrades. You keep looking at them.
No, not at all.
Are you afraid of what they might think of you?
Absolutely not, Captain. We are all of one mind in this squadron. We are very united.
Interrogé à propos de Rainer.
Since this is such a close-knit squadron, you must have known Rainer.
Yes, of course. But he's not part of the squadron any longer. He left.
Really?
I don't know what you're trying to get me to say, Captain. Rainer left the squadron because he was sent on a mission. There's nothing more to say.
Sorry, mate, but that's not what happened.
I don't know anything more.
Thank you. That will be all.
Thank you, madam. Captain.
Lieutenants, report.
Captain?
Could you give us a few minutes and take us around the site? I've never been here before, and I'm curious to see what goes on.
I'm not sure if we can, Captain.
We are on duty, Captain.
Right, Lieutenant. Let's go! Are you coming with us?
No, thank you. I'd rather stay here. Take in some fresh air.
As you like. In that case, see you later.
D'accord. Donc du coup, on va pouvoir reparler à certaines recrues. Il n'y a plus les lieutenants. Ça va leur délier la langue. Will.i.am.
Wilhelm, we need to talk. And don't worry, Captain Kurt will make sure your superior doesn't come this way.
Why are you doing this?
We didn't think you'd say anything as long as she was here.
If you noticed, others will have too. They'll make me pay.
Even more reason to talk. If we have proof, we can take action and close this town.
Very well. What would you like to know?
Lui parler de ce qui se passe réellement ici.
What's really going on here? We know that Rainer didn't die in an accident.
This is supposed to be a training camp for the Guard's elite. Only the most talented recruits are allowed to join. This is an immense honor, an extraordinary chance. That's what we're told every day. But in reality, it's just hell.
Lui demander des précisions sur les entraînements.
Tell me about the training you undergo here.
It's more torture than anything else. We're constantly beaten and humiliated, and the slightest complaint only leads to more blows. They even push us to police one another, so we don't dare talk. Whatever the orders, we put our heads down, grit our teeth, and obey.
All they leave you with is your survival instinct. Obey or die. It's inhuman.
I heard them tell you about the specialist training against the natives in hostile environments. but what they teach us would be more useful for assassins.
Ouais, j'en étais sûr. Invoquer Rainer. Et ce qui lui est arrivé.
As for Rainer, do you know what happened to him?
Yes. One day he just couldn't stand it any longer. He disobeyed orders, he fought back, and people got hurt. That's when things blew up. They summoned him for night training.
What does that entail?
It doesn't have much to do with real training. They call us up for it at the last minute. The weakest serve as punching bags for the others, who are encouraged to beat them. If we refuse, we too become the targets. So we join in and strike. If you're looking to punish Rainer's murderer, you can start with me. We all have his blood on our hands.
Thank you for telling us all of this. You should get back to your comrades.
I hope you can do something. Have this camp closed. Otherwise I'll soon be as dead as Rainer.
We understand the risk you've taken. We won't let you down.
Thank you. Really. That was truly fascinating.
Captain,
I've seen everything I needed to see. You can leave us.
Yes, Captain.
Shall we go?
Faire semblant de quitter le camp. On n'a rien vu, on ne sait rien. On part juste comme ça. La tête tranquille.
Kurt, Wilhelm has spoken.
What did he tell you?
He said the recruits go through hell. They are humiliated, spy on each other, get bullied. It's essentially torture. Rainer wouldn't stand for these methods. He rebelled and was summoned for night training.
Are you sure he used that term?
Yes. But he told me it's not really training. That recruits are summoned.
And the others beat them. Sometimes to death. I know.
You know about this kind of training?
Yeah. I thought it was a thing of the past. What a monster. How dare he?
I'm so sorry. I'm lost for words. Tell me, did you learn anything new?
I scouted out the site. There's two parts of the barracks we should look at more closely. Rolf's quarters and the basement, which they refused to open for me.
We can't just barge in and hope they give up. What's your plan?
Let's wait for nightfall. We'll sneak into the camp unseen, search the barracks, the private quarters, and then the basement.
We might also try to find out where this night training takes place.
Yes. I wouldn't want other young recruits to lose their lives tonight. Especially Wilhelm.
Découvrir ce qui est caché au sous-sol. Il n'y a plus personne. Il n'y a strictement plus personne. On va essayer de tuer... de pas tuer trop de monde.
Maybe they're in the combat pit behind the barracks. I saw it when I visited the camp. Or they've already left for their night training.
On va essayer de voir s'il y a quelque chose de ce côté. Donc c'est là qu'il doit y avoir... Il y a une arène. Mais j'ai pas l'impression qu'il y ait quelqu'un. Donc apparemment il n'y a rien à looter. On va rentrer dans la bâtisse. On va se mettre en mode fufu.
Let's find Rolf's office. He surely has the key to the basement.
La clé du sous-sol. Donc je suppose que les bureaux doivent être à l'étage. Donc il n'y a vraiment personne, hein. Ah, c'était son bureau. Donc nous avons les clés de la salle de torture.
This letter is disturbing, Kurt. It confirms that several deaths have been disguised in order to keep this camp secret. But it says that the recruits trained here have been assigned to governors from different cities. And yet I'm sure that Constantine knows nothing about these elite units. The conclusion of the letter also confirms that the commander is pleased with what's been going on here.
So Torsten knew.
So it seems. Including about the deaths.
He's gone too far. He dishonors us all. Sieglinder was right.
D'accord. Et là c'est quoi? Major. Si on le tue pas avant. Dommage, il dort pas. Je lui aurais bien mis un petit coup de dague entre les omoplates. Donc on a récupéré la clé. Il faut que l'on aille au sous-sol. J'avais vu les escaliers dans le coin. Ouais, ici. Alors ici, c'est une prison. Utiliser la clé. Hein. Bon, là, on va l'utiliser.
This room. What could have happened in here?
I know the smell only too well.
Oh la
Fear,
vache.
blood, death.
And to think I complained about the Norps training practices, but this is horrific, Kurt.
Ah ouais, mais il est torture. Il est torture quoi. Y a pas quelques morts, ils sont tous morts là. Oh, c'est un truc de fou. Ah ouais.
This document explains a lot. They torture the soldiers to break them. Rainer shows up on this list more than once. He gave them a lot of problems.
Those who resist too much are lynched during night training. Rolf, you'll pay for this.
Kurt, Wilhelm's name was added to tonight's training.
The boy will pay the ultimate price for having helped us.
We can't let them kill him. We must stop this training immediately.
The risk is that Rolf will ambush us.
If this boy dies because of us, I will never forgive myself.
Eh oui. Donc c'est de ce côté, juste en face.
I refuse to let these recruits pay for the bastards who manipulate them.
On va tous les
Let's
défoncer.
avoid spilling blood in vain.
You're a good captain. But I hope you understand that they won't hold back on us.
They're just kids. There has to be a way to reason with them.
We'll do what we can, Kurt. I can't promise anything more.
Let's see if you can ward off this.
Vous savez pas qui je suis. Vous ne savez pas qui je suis les gars. On va continuer notre route. Si on se mettait en fufu. Un petit peu. Peut-être qu'il y aura moyen de d'en assassiner quelques-uns. À moins que c'est scripté et qu'on me repère à chaque fois. Il va y avoir un petit combat. Ils me disent là-bas. Ah, il y a une porte de l'autre côté. D'accord. On va y aller. C'est quoi ça?
It's blocked.
C'est bloqué, mais on s'en fout, ouvre. Ils veulent que je passe par où là? Il y a un autre endroit où on peut passer que je n'aurais pas vu. Bah non. Ah, peut-être par là. Ça doit être par là. J'arrive, Will.i.am, j'arrive.
Kurt, you're so predictable.
I knew you were a bastard, but I didn't think you'd be part of this disgrace.
Have fun, soldiers.
C'est ça.
Traitors must die.
Venez tous.
Stop! Soldiers, are you really going to obey these scoundrels? Do I need to remind you of the Guard's motto? Where is your honor?
I won't repeat myself, recruits. Execute these traitors.
Soldiers, listen to your captain. You are the victims of these monsters, and we are here to save you. We surrendered without resistance, to avoid a fight and to spare your lives.
Well, what do you want us to do? We have orders, and we know what will happen to us if we don't obey.
Enough! To arms! Attack!
Le charisme. Oh là là, 25%. Allez.
Must I remind you what happened to Reyna?
On tente.
And however many others perished to fuel the ambitions of this camp's leader.
Is this what you were promised when you were recruited?
Maybe not.
Ah, on a raté.
But this is how
Et
one
merde.
becomes an elite soldier. The best.
Exactly. And no tenderfoot in a silk suit would understand anything about it.
Attack!
Ah bah tant pis pour eux.
Then let's go!
You're finally here.
Sorry, Captain. The boy resisted longer than planned.
I hope your troops are ready for a real fight. They just crushed your comrades.
Captain Kurt and these courtiers just decimated a whole squadron.
Don't underestimate them. They were able to beat us.
Shut up. Your troops were weak and you're the only one responsible.
What have you done with Wilhelm?
He received the punishment for traitors and insurgents, like Reyna before him.
Kurt, I'm terribly sorry. We should have...
Saved him first. We're responsible for his death.
Don't blame the wrong people, soldier. Those that slaughtered him stand before us.
You're right. For Wilhelm! For Reyna!
Recruits! Attack!
A bit of poison on my blade. Then let's go!
Alors? Et ils sont où les autres, hein? Ah, c'est vraiment des merdes. Ah, ils ont envoyé les recrues. Et eux, ils se barrent tout de suite. Clé du sous-sol du camp fantôme. D'accord. Clé de la caserne du camp. Ouais, on me file toutes les clés au final.
Will you be all right, Kurt?
Merde, je voulais fouiller.
Yes, I'll be fine. I'm just glad to know that this camp won't kill anyone else. What a waste. I can't believe these orders came from the top.
What do you want us to do?
I'll need backup if I really want to put an end to all of this. We must go see Major Sieglinder in New Serene. I need to tell her what was going on here.
Are you sure she wasn't involved?
Her? Never. She's old school. She already held the commander at a distance because she didn't like the direction the Guard was headed. He would have sacked her, or worse, if she didn't have so much support within the Guard. I should have listened to her.
There's no use brooding over the past. Let's go. We'll go see her immediately.
Mais non, mais j'avais des loots. Oh putain. Ils sont sérieux là? Putain, j'ai fait le con. Cliquez trop vite. C'est ce qui arrive. Hein.
Sieglinder, I need to talk to you.
What's the matter, Kurt?
We've just returned from a training camp. A secret camp. Where elite soldiers are trained. Through terror, humiliation, and torture.
Don't tell me that.
Yes. One of my recruits died, and he wasn't the only one. It is designed to create a regiment of assassins.
I am sorry, Kurt. I knew something was wrong, but I never would have thought it'd go that far.
We put an end to it all. We had to. But Torsten allowed it, even encouraged it.
I told you that the commander's ambition would end up leading us astray from the ideals of the Guard, and that we would pay the price for it.
Yes. At the time, I told you you were exaggerating. That he had his reasons.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to speak out, Sieglinde. And reveal the commander's project to the governor of the congregation.
If I were as close to him and his family as you are, I would have done so a long time ago.
I know. I feel so stupid for not having understood Torsten's scheme until now.
You've always been a loyal person, Kurt. And too many loyalties are sometimes hard to reconcile. But Torsten betrayed us all. I'm counting on you to make him pay for it.
Believe me, he won't get away with it. Goodbye, Sieglinde.
Goodbye, Kurt. My men and I stand with you.
Bon bah du coup, on aura fini cette quête. J'aurais pas eu mes loots. Pour la peine, je prends celui-là. Moins intéressant. Mais bon. Bon, je pense qu'on va se laisser là pour cet épisode. Il y aura eu beaucoup de dialogues. Mais on aura quand même fait la quête de la brigade fantôme. On ne l'a pas terminé, bien sûr. Il va falloir continuer d'enquêter, je pense. Pour savoir jusqu'où cela va nous mener. Likez la vidéo si elle vous a plu. Cela me fera plaisir. Si vous voulez continuer à me suivre dans cette aventure, je vous invite à vous abonner. Sur ce, je vous dis à la prochaine.